So in today's video, we're gonna do a update on the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so it's been a year since I had this hair dryer, and this is how it looks. And this is the Revlon one-step hair dryer volumizer, and I already had it for a year. I got it back in January. Let me see, I think it was in January. Yes, I did a video. I did a video reviewing this hair dryer back in January. So I figured, let me do an update on it. Now my hair is shorter in that video, which I'll link it right here. I'll link it up above for you to check it out if you want to see me unboxing it and reviewing it. So it's been a year, and I'm gonna show you how I like it so far. So this is how my hair looks when I come out the shower. It's already getting a little dry, so I will be applying. I'm still using the Tresemme Thermal Creations, and this is a heat protectant spray, and it protects up to 450 Fahrenheit. This is how the bottle looks. So it's a heat tamer leave-in spray, works with heat appliances, protects against heat damage. And this is the 8 ounce 236 ml. So this is supposed to protect you against heat. Look how my hair looks. Still a little wet in some areas, and you want your hair to be on the damp side, so I will get it back to the damp side on this. My hair dries pretty quick, that's why it looks like this. So my hair is pretty wavy, if you can see. It's pretty wavy, and then it gets pretty frizzy, and that is why I like this. This makes me blow dry my hair pretty quick, especially now that I have shorter hair. This is how it looks. It's under the collar already, and I've been getting the itch to cut it again. I actually really love short hair. So let's begin. So I'm going to spray my hair with the heat protectant all over. And I'm going to use these little butterfly clips to hold it while I blow dry my hair. So I like to section the back of my hair halfway. I just make a straight line across and pick up the rest, put it into a small bun, and hold it tight with the butterfly clip. Now that my hair is short, I like to separate it into 2 parts at the bottom. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to put a timer for you to see how long it takes me. Where's the clock? Okay, so I'm going to put a stopwatch. So I'm going to hit start. Right now it's 7:25 p.m. So it's already getting dry. I'm looking up because I'm looking at the viewfinder as my hair. Look how smooth it's looking already. So let's do the other side. this, I put all the hairs together in the back. After separating it, I put it all together. Just to make sure I didn't miss any spots. Okay, so let's go with the top layer. So since I already separated it once, I'm going to separate it one more time. Half of that. And just to make sure that the bottom does not touch the wet hair on the top, I'm going to pick it up with a little hair tie. Okay. So now the hair is separated and I'll be drying this much of hair. Chunks. That way it dries faster. So now that it's dry, I like to put them together. Perfect. And then right here, I have two more that I will split in half. On the back that I just blow dry in case I miss it. Okay, so now I'm going to put all the hair together and then finish the final step. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the last step. Alright, so I noticed that my camera cut off, so I went to go check to see what was being recorded, what recorded at the end. And the only part that it didn't record is after I tied my hair, I went and I separated the front part into a little piece here, and then I will be separating it here in the center. So I only did this part right here that you see right here. So I will continue. When that happened, I did pause it at 13 minutes. So now that I'm continuing, I'm going to hit play, not play, start, and continue the process. So this is where I usually split it down the center. It's already drying, it's already looking clean, so I will spray this section a little bit with the protector just to make it a little bit more damp. Look how shiny it's looking. Very bouncy, and I love that. And then the last section is right here, and I will split this into two pieces. Right here, that way it won't be below. And spray this a little bit. I always get my cheeks get red. Even when I go outside and I get a little bit of sun, my face gets red. So the last step. Just to lock it in place, I will be using the setting of Cool. Let me see if it shows right there, the Cool setting. I was using the Hot. Just to cool down my hair a little bit and everything stays in place. And I'm using no technique, I'm just brushing it all around. And the last extra step that I do is pick up hair from the center. Like if you're doing the hairstyle right here. But I'm just picking up hair from the center. And then flipping it like that, going down, and then holding it. And this is just like a bit, just to let it down. And I leave it there for a little bit. I forgot to hit the stop, so there you go. And it took me 19 minutes more or less. Took me 19 minutes. There you go. And it's pretty quick. If my camera wouldn't have shut down, then I'm sure it would have took me a couple minutes less, probably like 15 minutes. Okay, so for the last step, so this is the hair oil that I like to use. This is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Freeze Serum with organ oil from Morocco. And then it says that it's for frizzy, dry, and unmanageable hair, instant, sleek, proven strength system. And this is the 5.1 fluid ounces. I really like this because it doesn't feel heavy on your hair, and I like to just add one little pump. So I only like to add one little pump because a little bit goes a long way. Very little. There you go. So this is the amount that I use. It's a very tiny little amount, and I like to spread it around my fingers. As you can see, very shiny. And I like to put it in the ends of my hair, not the top, because my hair does get oily pretty quick. I do work out throughout the whole week, so I like to add as little bit hair products as possible. So I add a little bit here in the front. And then once I'm done with, when I have a very little product, you can see it's still shiny because of the oil, it's very smooth. Then I add just a tiny bit to the top for the flyaway hairs. Okay, so this is the end result. It looks like I went to the salon and got a blowout. And it's so silky, so smooth. I really love it. So if you haven't already, You should definitely check out this product. I got mine in Amazon. So again, this is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, and I love it. I really recommend it, especially right now that everybody is supposed to be staying indoors. You could just do your hair at home and that's it. I still go to work, so I still have to look presentable when I go to work and have my hair done. So yeah. Alright, so this was the end of this video about my 1 year review. I still love the product. I still love this hairbrush. Really recommend it if you do get a chance to purchase it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye.